And then you guys are all set. Here you guys go. You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Devin, Kalel. And I'm Ashay, Jorel. And today the date is February the 19th, 2017. And we're TwinsTalkStocks. We're at the Cheesecake Factory, and we got this cool cheesecake called a Toasted Marshmallow S'mores Galore. I wonder what the recipe is for because it looks amazing. And we wonder if the Cheesecake Factory will have the secret recipe to beat earnings when it reports this quarter. It reports earnings February 22nd, and it's beaten earnings the past 7 straight quarters. It typically goes up 10% after reporting earnings, and it usually goes up 3% after earnings. Okay, so let's take a bite. Real pretty. That's really good. And they also have a new mobile payment app called CakePay. Down here it says you can check out and pay and it's your rewards. And Cheesecake Factory is going to have delivery service in all of their 200 restaurants. So when you're at home, you can have your cheesecake delivered to your house, which is great because usually when we come to Cheesecake Factory, it's crowded and we have to wait to get a table. Thanks for watching our video. Please like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our website, TwinsTalkStocks.com. Also be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram page. That's TwinsTalkStocks on Facebook and Instagram. Bye.
I don't know.